Have a nice day, everyone. In this video, I will continue for aircraft leasing documents or records. This is part 14, the landing gear records. The landing gear contains nose landing gear and main landing gear and body landing gear. This time, I will speak about nose landing gear. The documents which we need to prepare it or check it. Number 1, landing gear calendar and cycle maintenance history status. Okay. Life limited parts status from manufacturer. This is from the beginning, from manufacturer, or readiness log for Boeing. Life limited parts status from operator. This is the current now. Traceability back to pairs for all life limited components. Certificate of release to service of landing gear assembly. EASA form or FAA form for installed components. All shop visit reports records, including ADs, airworthiness directives, service bulletins, modifications, life limited parts. Okay. I will show you for as example here. I will make zoom. This is the company, Lotus Air, not exists now. This is the component, nose landing gear, and the aircraft installed in it. The part number of the nose landing gear and the serial number. And this is the date of report. Okay, and cycle since new at this date. Look here, this is a component. This is the assembly description here, barrel, column, sliding rod, so and so. This is the part number of the component, serial number of it, installation date on the aircraft here, aircraft at installation cycles 0, the dimensions here or the units, the cycles. Okay, cycle since new at installation 0, cycle since inspection at installation 0. Take care here. If this and this are different, cycle since inspection is more than aircraft at installation or cycle since installation, you need a certificate, FAA form or EASA form. Take here the current cycle since new, cycle since inspection, the limit here, the limit. Take care here. Some units has no limit on condition, but here 60,000 cycles, and this is the remaining. Okay. Take care. We spoke about the components and the life limited parts, but take care for the assembly of the landing gear, nose and other main or body landing gear. It has hard time limit, means overall. I think the overall period is 10 years. So at 10 years must go to the workshop for overall. During overall, if any items has life limited parts reach this limit, must be discarded okay? Don't overrule it, but the remaining parts can be repaired, inspections, okay? This is such as an example. So you must prepare your records and this sheet for the landing gear before you redeliver it, because the other operator will ask you of it. Okay? Thank you very much, and goodbye.